Hi YouTubers, this is your friend again, Kunedu Productions, coming to you again with another DIY. This is a centerpiece that I made for some of my events. I still use them, and one of them was a little bit loose, so I decided instead of trashing it, I just open it up and then show you guys how I ended up with that DIY. So I have two picture frames, 9 by 7 inches, and you could use a wooden dowel take, but this is what I use. I use a PVC pipe. I think this is a 3/4 of an inch, diameter. So I bought 2 feet, I believe. No, I bought like 2 of the rolls, yes, and then I cut them into 4. This was good enough for me, so then I cut them into the size that I wanted. And now I'm going to show you how I ended up with this centerpiece. Let's do it. So I have here my glue. Before then I used my hot glue, but for now, for video purposes, I think I'm going to use this instead so I can have a very firm centerpiece. Okay, so you have to put the glue at the corners, and since you put the glue at the corners, this is some sort of super glue. I always like to put all of them at the same time. So typically when I put them at the same time, I will be able to just put them on and then press firmly to ensure I have a good stick. And afterwards, I'm going to spray it to the desired color that I wanted. So I'm done with my quick grip. You have to use it generously. So now since I've laid them flat there, put it on the corner. Keep holding. Then I put this at the corner too, and then I'll be holding it as well. When they are both there, I'll put this at the corner where I have to sort of make sure I'm holding them tight, and this one right here. So now let's see. Oopsies. I think I'm gonna need help. Alright. Feels like I am almost there. Let's see. And some of these things, when you're doing, you definitely need, you definitely need another hand. And sometimes when I don't want another hand, I definitely do need a hand. All right. Still working, still working. Oops. Don't mind that noise. Still working. Still working. Let's see if we can really put them at the corners and make sure it's lined up at the corners. Okay. Get it there. This is here. And it's lined up. Now it is just to wait for it to dry out. If I can, like that. I know. All the time. It's always like that. You let it go a little bit and you lose track. Okay. So like I always say, typically I used to see my YouTubers do stuff, and then I was wondering if how long they were doing it. But then when I started doing stuff, I realized it takes time and dedication. It's not like a day that they finish everything. Sometimes they have to do it the next day. Well, since we still don't have a very firm grip right now, I will add some hot glue. That is always an alternative. So go for popping. A tall centerpiece that I made with, I have these two wooden dowels, a wooden plaque that I used with a previous project, and I realized I don't need 3, so I decided to take them out and use it for a different thing this time. So I have these 2 wooden dowels, wooden plaques, sorry. And then I have this wooden dowel that I'm going to use. Okay. With my block style foam from the dollar store and a pool noodle. Okay. So first of all, I'll have to make a measurement. This DIY that I'm attempting to make is actually an inspiration that I got from a YouTuber that I was watching her, DIYs a long time ago. I think it's Shurkonia. Yeah. So this is something that I picked up from one of her videos, and I'm trying to see if I can make my own with a different touch, with a touch of Kennedy Productions as well. So let's do this. So I make my circle, and then I'm gonna try and dig in. In, so I'll be able to push my wooden dowel in it to a certain level, get it to the bottom. Pause. So I have my 1-inch nail and my screw. I already drilled a hole into the center, so I'm gonna make sure I have a very steady centerpiece. Let's see. It's going in. Still going. So I have my drill bit. Did I drop something? Let me try for a moment. I have my drill bit and my 5-inch, no, 5/6, right? Yeah. Fixed now. Perfect. Flip it up. Let's get the bottom right here. And make sure beautiful. So for now, I know that this is really firm and strong. You know, when I glued everything together. Now we are going to do the center and then spray it and put flowers and make it beautiful. Now, in order for me to have a very fine middle, I wanted to use this pool noodle to do the center. So I'm gonna cut this. I already used it for a different event, but I'm gonna use a piece right here. Okay, so to put it in the middle, so I can have a very beautiful little piece. I actually do not want to glue it because I want to be able to use it in diverse ways. You know, not like have the same thing on every time. So I am going to spray it, and after I will spray this too. For now, I am going to tie it with a ribbon. Pause.